Mommy just put a plate on the floor with food remnants so that I wanted to see if she would beg for it or anything. She looked at it, licked her lips like that, but she doesn't go for it. Let's see what happens if I put it in a different spot. Sorry. That's gonna be a weird thing. I just wanted to make it look like I can't see her. Ah! Is that your property? Oh. Nope, that's not your property, right? And because Mommy has the stool up, folded, that means she is not welcome on the bed. And all her toys are on her bed. She did that. I did not do that. She cleaned up after herself pretty good. I mean, honestly, they're pretty lined up now that I think about it. Good girl. The plate of food is Mommy's property? Good girl. That's what we want. We want her to completely ignore it. Why are you begging? I saw you look at it. Looking, smelling, or licking your lips is a type of begging, baby. Remember we talked about that? You're being a very good girl right now. You leave it? You leave it? Good girl. Leave it. Just mind your own business. Good girl.